Good morning. I'm Ignatius, Deep Sleep Coach, and I'm very happy to introduce Lakshmi Narayanan, who came to me about 2 months back. And I would like him to introduce himself and talk about the course. Before he does that, I just want a quick introduction. I met him in my house a little more than 2 months back. He had come for my son's financial planning, and he comes highly recommended. So I'd like him to introduce himself, what he does, then why he wanted to join this course and his experience. Thank you. Over to you, Lakshmi.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. But I'm Lakshmi Narayanan. Hi, everyone. And I work as a financial planner. So we deal with, we are actually 16 plus years of experience in this industry, and we are dealing with life insurance and mutual fund investments, bonds, health insurance, etc. And we help basically clients to, build better tomorrows through good ethical and then professional financial planning. So that's what we do. And as Mr. Iggy said, I came to know about him through his son, whom I came to know about, through one of my other clients. So we do business only through referrals. So almost 100%, or I would say even I can say even 110% of our business comes through only referrals and repeat business. So we are blessed that way. So in fact, we came to know about Mr. Iggy also, through that. And when we are casually discussing, when they ask me, what do I do? And I just asked them, what do I do and what do they do? And Mr. Iggy said, he was, in fact, his son's profession was also a bit new to me to admit, but okay, that's irrelevant here. But Mr. Iggy, he said, he's a deep sleep coach. So when he said, it's deep sleep coach, I was really, I was surprised, frankly speaking, because I have not heard this designation at all before. So why do you require someone to coach you on sleeping? Okay, agreed that you are not sleeping properly, but still, but the question always comes why there is a necessity for someone to coach you how to sleep, kind of. So I was actually really surprised. But then he just also casually gave me a few pointers on what he do. And unfortunately or fortunately, I was also facing the same issue, and of not being able to sleep for almost 3 to 4 years, kind of. So wherein though it was not creating me any physical issues in terms I was not feeling tired, or that was not causing me any problems actually, or at least any visible problems due to lack of sleep. But still, I remember still what he said, just because it is not showing any problems today doesn't mean that it will not show problems in the future, because probably it may so happen that with interest it will come back tomorrow. It may happen, you never know. So it's always better to address it, so taking it as a first priority. So in fact, first thing I would say, to get this to be realized by me, that was the first thing he did, I would say, because you always take the other things as priority, always to say, work comes priority first. So you sleep, because it is not disturbing you now, so you generally don't give it a priority at all. So his words actually, it struck a chord to me, okay, so I should definitely look at it. And generally, I believe in this, cues from nature. So I said, of all the clients, I get her to a person who is actually doing something which is totally different, which I have never heard about it at all. But, he's dealing with the problem which I am facing. So something nature actually, or the universe actually is now showing me a solution. So I have decided much before I, started enrolling to his course that, yes, I'm going to sleep better. So with that decision in mind only, I in fact I approached, and coincidentally or luckily, it so happened that within a week's time after I had met him first, he had planned for a course also, which is deep sleep bootcamp course. So thankfully, it was there. So without any hesitation, no second thoughts, I just went ahead and then enrolled into it with an open mindset that yes, whatever he's going to say, I'm just going to implement it. So that was the kind of mindset with which I started off, to say.
Good student.
Yeah, thank you. Good teacher. Makes a good student also, perhaps.
Okay. Cool. So during the program, did you find any effect, or was it later? I mean, what did you learn? What really?
No, I mean, I like right from the day one, I would say, because as I said, like since I had also made up my mind much before the program, also, like, from the day I met you, like, that 7 days itself, I started kind of a rehearsal, kind of, to sleep better. And so, like, right from day one, I would say, like, there has been differences in terms of, like, though it was not 100% during the first week or first 2 weeks, kind of, but still it was much, much better. It was much, much better. And
When I say it was a decision you took, you actually decided that you wanted to take charge of the sleep, and you're going to make sure that you're going to sleep right. So it started the decision itself, correct?
yes, yes, yes. So
So
it
this is where
started
the
off with the
first,
decision itself,
yeah,
and thankfully, like, but but the decision has to stay.
yeah.
So to stay put, like, some methodologies or techniques has to be there. Like, some, see, you should have someone always. Even if you are best in something, even as Sachin Tendulkar requires a coach, even when he's at the peak of his career. So that nudging has to be there. So perhaps it may be the same thing that you may have heard about it somewhere, but it should strike a chord to you at the right time, to say. And so, like, that was what was happening. So the kind of integrity that, I should definitely mention, that, one good thing is the sleeping pattern that you had mentioned, that, you should have the same exact same time to where you should go to bed, and then the exact time you should rise up from the bed. So that sleeping pattern, that, same, to set the body clock, basically. See, the integrity with which, like, see, anyone can tell this. For example, like, you should start on the same time and then stop at you should go to bed at the same time and then rise up at the same time. Yes, anyone can say this. It's a good habit, actually, to say. But the thing is, the integrity with which a person says this. See, for example, like, the program, all the days, the program started exactly, if it had to start at 7 o'clock, it started at 7 o'clock. If it had to end up at 8 o'clock, it will end up at 8 o'clock. I mean, I would say it was more or less like not even a minute later or a minute earlier, kind of. I mean, it was wonderful. So that integrity, that, you do something on the specified time. So that time, that job. This time, this job. So when this integrity is there, so you get actually, a faith or a trust. So whatever the words that comes from that person's mouth, you seem to accept and believe that yes, it will happen. So that is very, very important. Which I mean, I would say technicalities apart, but this is something which is very, very important,
Thank
actually,
you
to
for
say.
sharing. It's the first time anybody has told something like this. So it gives me an impetus to keep it going that way.
Oh yes, oh yes. No, that was really good.
Okay.
And more importantly, it was also very simple and to the point. No jargons, no, like, big theories and technicalities or scientific things to back up the claims, kind of. So it was all a very distilled kind of an information which we could have to otherwise go through, 30, 40, 50 books, or go through a lot of research papers, or kind of and you'll have to do a lot of analysis on this by yourself. You see, which basically is not your job. I'm into financial planning, not into deep sleep coaching. So if I am into deep sleep coaching, I could go through all these things and then come to realize by myself. But that's not my job, actually. So basically, like, it was a distilled information. So no confusions, kind of, or no kind of dichotomies, or confusing signals, kind of, to say. It was very clear and concise that these are the things to do, these are the things not to do. The to dos and not to dos were very clear, actually. So that helped to adapt to this very quickly and easily.
So it is over 2 months since you attended this course. So can you tell which two, three, or even five practices that you remember and you're actually practicing?
One thing is, like, there's getting things ready for the next day, the previous night itself. So you keep everything, because especially for me, as I was telling, like, my number of thoughts was actually too much. I always keep evaluating what I have to do next, what I have to do next, kind of. So when you keep the things ready the next day, whatever is required for the next day, which I learned from the course, that, you keep everything ready the previous night itself, so that now your mind is now free. See, this is part of my daily routine now. Now, as you know, the daily night routine, whatever we have, so which we say, like, daily morning routine and daily night routine, it is part of my night routine now, that, to write down whatever clearly, like, my action items, even like, if I have to have some meeting the next day, I'll put it on paper, even a simple mail or simple, I mean, these are all very, very, might look very trivial and unimportant, but actually writing it down, it helped a lot, in fact. So that was something like, which has actually helped me to sleep better. So you are now clear that, because the next day you will have to just go and act. You don't have to plan anything. You have already done the planning the previous night itself, and now you are now very clear and confident and also satisfied that you have done your day. See, basically you'll have to break your day. See, what I learned there was you'll have to wind down in the course, like, you'll have to wind down basically. So this winding down is something which I one important thing basically I learned. And another thing is to calm the mind, and it was also very energizing, is this Brahmani pranayama was very good, in fact. So that was actually really a wonderful exercise. So whenever, in fact, you can go and do it at any time, kind of, to say. So doing that, like, it relaxes and calms basically. I mean, rather than calming and all, it also gives a lot of energy also. In fact, it gives a lot of energy, and you feel actually really good. In fact, that's something which I really liked about this. And then this, again, as part of this also, but still it's setting up this daily morning routine and this night routine. So to have, yes, this is how I'm going to approach my day, and this is how I'm going to wind off from the day. So you are actually preparing yourself for this for the night sleep.
Perfect. Oh, very, very happy to hear that. Brahmani pranayama, the personalized morning routine, the personalized night routine.
Exactly.
And
yes.
you're also having the night journal.
Yes.
Preparing for the day. So all of these, you have made it your own. It's part of you now.
Exactly. Exactly.
So what benefits has it given you, and what have people noticed? What have you noticed in yourself? One. Two, what have other people noticed in you?
Yeah, number one, like, personally, I have actually now it is the energy levels are too high, too good. Like, see, because like earlier I had not discovered that, or I had not realized that, frankly speaking, though, like, generally my energy levels are high, but now it comes naturally. That's what I would say. Like, previously, like, I realize that, I had been straining. At that time, I had not realized, like, before when I was having issues with the sleep, at that time, I didn't realize that actually, it's because of this. But now, after having realized and also have experienced the 6-7 hours of continuous sleep, kind of, now I see that, yes, the energy levels are too high now. So that is something which is phenomenal, like, and the thinking pattern itself is very clear. See, decision making is very quick. Because the brain is very clear, it is not sluggish because of a good night's sleep. Now I am able to make quick decisions. In fact, the one that I really have to mention here is the blink that you mentioned. Like, you were to take decisions intuitively. I generally used to do that, but I was actually not even realizing that I had actually missed that part. So now the decisions are actually coming intuitively. So which actually was there for me. I mean, frankly speaking, but 3-4 years, I think I missed that out. So I mean, thankfully, I mean, it came. Thankfully, like, it intuitively it came now. To say. So that was very good now today. And to say, like, this, I'll have to say, I cannot pat on my own back, but still, couple of my clients, I mean, whom I have been meeting after a year or so, or 2 years or so, they have actually communicated that, like, I used to act in teleserials before. So I mean, it's very long back. I'm a field out kind of actor now. So now I don't even intend to go back, but they were mentioning, like, are you planning for a second innings now?
Wow. Yeah, that is one thing I wanted to tell you also. I noticed the skin glowing in the skin, because I saw you for a brief period before the course. That's the first time I met you.
Yes.
And then now I'm seeing you clearly.
Yes.
Even in class, it's not that clear. No, we are not able to. There are so many people. We are not able to really get the full screen of one person.
True.
So I'm seeing the clarity in your skin, the glow. So that's something people are noticing.
Yes, of course. And also, like, weight wise also, actually, I have lost almost 1.5-2 kilos now.
Super.
So which is like, I mean, I would say kind of without any much efforts. That's important.
Life becomes more effortless after this.
That's what basically I was coming to. Like, things should be effortless. See, yes, of course, with efforts, things will happen. But effortless, if it comes, it is actually better for you. You don't have to strain yourself to get things done. So in that way, it was actually really good, in fact. So it was wonderful, in fact, I would say.
What time were you sleeping earlier before the course, and what time are you sleeping now? So,
No, I had been sleeping at, I mean, I would go to bed generally at 10 o'clock. 9:45 to 10 o'clock. That was my usual routine, frankly speaking. But see, the point is, I would not sleep.
Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Can you repeat that? Sorry. No, you're still not audible.
Now it's fine?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Lose contact probably.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, what I was telling is like, yes, of course, I was not having any sleep problems. I mean, I'm going to sleep at 10 o'clock was happening before also to say. But the problem is, yeah, but the problem is like, 9:45, 10, I'll go to the bed. But, 15, 20 minutes, I will have a very deep sleep. I would not even know whether, I've just slept kind of. But exactly after 15, 20 minutes, I will wake up.
Oh,
exactly after 15, 20 minutes. I would think that, it would 2 hours would have passed by, but actually only 15, 20 minutes would have passed by.
okay.
And post that, almost 2.5 hours, I will not sleep. Something or other, some thoughts will keep coming in, like, planning, evaluating, all these things will happen. Then I will sleep by around 12:45 or so, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I will sleep. Then again, it will get lost. So that's how it was happening. And waking up time was very erratic. So though I'm not a very late riser, like 9 o'clock kind of to say, or 8 o'clock also, but still it was like, 5:30 one day, 6:30, another day 7:15, 7:45, before 8 though, but still like it was very erratic kind of. So, but here, I made a decision that, that 5 o'clock is what I'll have to wake up kind of. Yes, no, it had started now, and like I can tell with a lot of pride that, right from that day, since I met you, even the day before even the course started, from that day onwards. So from that day till today, 5:05 is the time that I am waking up daily. So that is, I mean, like, which is like, it has become a practice now and a habit now to say. So, and thankfully this 5:05 also has happened. 10 o'clock always was the case, but 10 to 5 is happening now. That is the thing that is better now to say, because that is not missing out earlier. Okay. So now 10 to 5 is also happening.
Super.
So that is the thing. Yes. I mean, like, no, I mean, it has been now the case right from that day till date. So, and I'm sure, like, this is going to continue, because now this has become like kind of a, I mean, no issues kind of. Now I wonder, like, why I made all the this, like, how could I not sleep kind of to say. I mean, it's really good. No issues at all now.
Super. So I'm so happy I reached out to you for this testimonial, because I wanted to know how it is after a period of time, because during the course, a lot of people show a lot of benefit and everything is on a high. But I wanted to know how it is on a sustained basis.
Okay.
You're able to.
No, I would say, like, see, you gave a lot of points, in fact, to say. I mean, like, if one carefully notices, like, there will be a lot of simple points will be there. Like, and even like, if one picks up, like, 2 or 3 points and then religiously practices it, I think, it will be done. That's what I personally feel. Like, whether probably few points may be applicable for some people, for example, like, don't drink alcohol means I don't drink alcohol at all, but still I don't get sleep. So it's a point that I can avoid, basically. So, but there are certain things which will be applicable 100% to a person. But even if it is not applicable, if someone practices at least 2-3 things and then start to practice it religiously for, say, 21 days kind of to say, or, 2 weeks, 20 days kind of, I think that it sets up automatically. But to create the discipline, like, we require this. Otherwise, like, we would not do it on our own also, unfortunately, and do not know the methodology also, what to do and what not to do, basically. So it has to be a clear, concise thing. Do this, don't do this kind of. So in that way, it helped a lot.
So thank you so much. I took a lot of your time.
Oh, no problem at all. Thank you so much. I mean, I also took this as an opportunity to indirectly thank you. So probably I may not have mentioned it post the course. So I took it as an opportunity to thank you also.
Thank you so much. I lost contact with you. So in fact, I asked my son what happened. I was like,
okay.
All going on auto mode.
Oh yes, correct. And we had been discussing once or twice always we discussed in between. I mean, like, but through WhatsApp, not through
Okay.
kind of, but but still, like, I didn't bother to thank you, but no, I'm taking it as an opportunity to thank you also.
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh yes, thank you so
Very,
much, sir.
very
Thank you so
happy.
much.
Keep it
Oh
up
yes.
and get into your second innings also soon.
Oh yeah, no, not that, not that. This is a great innings for me in my profession, so let that continue. No issues, but thanks for it. Yes.
Okay, take care.
Oh yes, thank
Be
you.
happy. Bye bye.
Oh yes, bye bye.